When using a smart interactive display, Whiteboard is one of the most commonly used functions. This is 4K Whiteboard function. We click to enter. We can write smoothly with a pen or finger. The zero binding technology greatly improves user experience and color effect. We can also write with multiple fingers at the same time. InstaHub supports 20 infrared touching points. If you want to erase it, we can use the back of our hand to wipe it. And you can also add shapes. We select the circle and red. And then click this button to select this circle. We can move it or change its size. If you want to clear the whole screen, just click this button and slide. And if you made a mistake, just click this button and withdraw. Apart from words and shapes, we can also add pictures. Select this picture, and then you can move it and enlarge it. We can send pictures to the whiteboard with a mobile phone. Click this sidebar and then File Transfer. And then we scan this code with a mobile phone and then select a picture. Now the picture appears on it and we can select and save. And then we go back to the 4K whiteboard. And then we can add the picture now. We can also save the whole screen as a picture locally or show it to others. Scan this code with a mobile phone and then save it. We can also set a password for sharing.